friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. If you're new here, I want to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. And if you like what you see today, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I have a monthly series on the last day or two of every month that I share my monthly thrift store finds. I shared this month that we've had a lot going on with the virus and was just not able to thrift very much. And I actually found a bag in my trunk that I had not shared, but I did manage to go thrifting a couple times this month. I want to share with you some cute things I found. Now, a lot of times I will find things that I don't have to redo or flip. It goes straight from the thrift store to my wall because they are so on trend, and that was the case this month. I found so many cute things that you could walk in Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's and find something very similar. So let me show you here. This was something for Christmas. For 99 cents, I got 4 wooden primitive shape stars. I could use them on my rustic Christmas tree, or I could save them and redo them for patriotic crafts, but just love the shape of these kind of whimsical primitive wooden stars. Now, this was something I picked up yesterday. It's originally from Walmart for $4.98. I love honeybees and bumblebees and things like that, and it's very popular again this year. I picked this up for $1.99. I mean, it's adorable. I'm gonna probably hang that in my bathroom. This is just a little faux garden decor. It looks like something from maybe Dollar General or somewhere, not anywhere terribly expensive, but I paid 99 cents for it, and it'll just be really cute as an addition outside. Here's another wall decor that I just loved. What I loved about it is it has a little easel stand and also the little tooth hanger on it. And I paid $1.99 for it. This kind of decor is still really popular, and I'll find somewhere cute to hang that. This would be even really cute in a wreath. Now, I lost the price tag on this, and I couldn't tell where it was from, but for 99 cents, this was totally worth it. Even if I decide to redo the inside, it is still current enough that I'll probably just leave it as is. Classic enough where I can set it anywhere in the house. This is something that I've had for a couple months and just found it to share, and I saw this originally, a big version of this on, I think, My Blessed Nest. She had found a really large piece of bread slice in one of her hauls, and I just loved it, and I went to an estate sale and found a little miniature one, and I can always put something really cute saying on there for the kitchen, but I think I paid 50 cents for it because it was on a half price day, but just love the little shape of it being a slice of bread. Here's something else cute, would be so adorable in the center of a wreath. I paid 99 cents for it. Doesn't say where it's from. Totally worth that, and just love all types of scripture decor. Picked these up this month at Goodwill. They're usually like 59 cents. This is some January decor that's not Christmas colors. That's what I love about it. These little snowmen and the blues. I buy these only for decor purposes. We don't use them. And I usually will have it hanging out of a little basket or something like that. And to keep people from using them, I always put like some paper napkins in front of it, so they know that if they dry their hands, they use the paper napkins and not the decorative hand towels. It was always kind of a running joke at my house. My mother always had hanging decorative towels, and it was a cardinal sin to wipe your hands on them. Here's a cute little thing from Big Lots. It was originally $1.99, which I thought was a good price for a really cute little applique jack-o'-lantern cookie recipe with the coordinating cookie cutter. I just love the little Halloween plaid. I can hang that somewhere up in October, but just really cute as is and brand new with the tag. Last but not least is a little wreath I found that I'm going to keep as is. So cute for spring, and I'm almost certain I paid $1.99. Even if I paid $1.99, I couldn't have bought the wreath for that. And it looks like someone made it. And just the florals alone is definitely Hobby Lobby quality, and the greenery. There's no way I could have made this for $1.99, and just love the colors. So there you go, friends. I say this just about every month, that thrifting is not grandma stuff anymore. It's seriously trendy, current things that you can decorate your house with. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back just in a few days with a Valentine decor project.